Hi guys, Kevin Eberly from Kriete Truck Centers here, showing you one of our new 2025 Volvo VNL860s. This has a Volvo D13 TC engine, 455 horsepower, 1850 torque with the Volvo I-Shift transmission. You can see this beautiful shade of bright blue metallic. Beautiful redesigned hood, and we will head on in. This is the core trim package, exterior and interior, with the high visibility seat belts, 3-point position perfect steering wheel. In the back, you've got double bunk, one low, one up top with the ladder. You've got your refrigerator, your space for the microwave, lots of great storage up and down. And then here you've got your view of the front of the cab. If you're interested, give me a call. My number is 414-340-7133, or check out our website, KrieteTrucks.com.